Today we are going to make raw mango chunda. To make the chunda we have taken Rajapuri mango as it contains very little fiber. You can take Totapuri mango instead as that also contains very little fiber. The mangoes were peeled and then grated and the seeds were discarded. We will now add 500 grams of ground sugar to it, half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of table salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the ingredients well. Use a steel or a glass utensil. You can see the mangoes have started to release water now. Keep mixing. It has been 2 minutes mixing the ingredients. The sugar has melted and mixed nicely with the mangoes, and now we'll start preparing the chunda. We have kept the kadai on medium heat. We will add the mixture to it and stir constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. The sugar is dissolved completely. We will reduce the heat to low-medium and add the rest of these spices. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Mix these ingredients nicely as well. Keep cooking the mixture until it attains a one-string consistency. Keep stirring constantly so that the sugar does not stick to the bottom of the kadai. Keep scraping the sides of the kadai as well. The chunda has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. We will now check if the mixture has attained a one-string consistency. Put 1 or 2 drops of the mixture in a bowl and let it cool down a little. As you can see now, the mixture has attained a one-string consistency. The chunda is ready. Once it cools down, it will thicken a little more. We will turn off the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Here is our recipe of the day, raw mango chunda. Once it cools down completely, we will transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the fridge. Here is the mango chunda in an airtight container. We're going to store it in the fridge. You can have this with paratha, you can have it with rice, you can have it with bread, you can spread it on bread. So do try this recipe and let us know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day.